with the honest, drop the whole 50, that's a cold turkey. All my bitches worthy, pulling up this derby. We be smoking 30s, we be low 30s. In the rain, call it Space Jam. Back then, I ain't give
beauties. So I have the new Fenty products, the concealer and the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got this in the color Banana, and then I have the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 310. Now, this is the same color I am in their foundation, which I already had. I did not buy any liquid contour, like the contour color for myself. I don't know why. Honestly, my boyfriend went to go pick this stuff up while I was at work on the launch day, and I forgot to tell him to get me the contour shade. So I'm just going to use one of her Truffle and the Matchsticks. What's wrong?
On the drink.
Okay. I'll come up there and get you a drink in a second. All right. And I kind of figure I was up or out of the, what the hell is this? The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Retouch Primer. So I didn't really remember if I was out or not, but I thought I was. So I just bought the smaller one, which when I came home, I'm thankful that I did, or that I even thought about it, because I am definitely out. So I'm going to prime my face with this. And again, I already had the foundation. This is the color 310, the Pro Filter Retouch or Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I'm going to put this on my face, and yeah, we'll see how everything works. I'm super excited. And then I'm actually going to do a wear test. I'm going to I'm going out today to go shopping, so I'll come back a little later with the opinion. So let me know if you guys like this setup better than my other one. I just turned all of my equipment facing my makeup table instead of my back wall. So I'm going to take this concealer out. It's so cute and chic. Like, everything is just like cute. I like that. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to start. I have a little pimple right here. I drink a lot of pop during this pregnancy, but you know, that's a craving of mine. Let me see. Ready. Just going to take a few pumps of the primer. Hair isn't done. I look so wild, but soon I'll be cute. Let me see. I got the powder in the color Banana for my under eye. I was looking at other people's reviews, and I was noticing that they use the color for their under eye, and then they use another color for their face. But again, I didn't think of that when I went to tell my boyfriend to go grab the stuff for me. So I'm just going to use this for my under eye, and then set the rest of my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth in a color Tan. Oh. So this sort of will be a full Fenty face, kind of, sort of, in a way, but not really. So let's see. Shake up this, and I do remember this foundation. I haven't been using it lately. I've been using my NARS foundation, but I do remember this foundation drying down fairly quickly, fairly quick. So I'm going to do one side first, and I'm taking my Bare Minerals foundation brush. Okay, now after blending out the foundation, which I really do like the foundation, I'm not too much a fan of like how matte it is, but it's not that I hate the foundation, it's just that I prefer a different foundation other than that one. But we're going to continue with the face. I'm going to take the matchstick in the color Truffle for my contour and just blend that out with a brush. Okay, so let's try out our concealer. I like how creamy it is. It dries down as quick as the foundation. We're gonna be in trouble, so let's do one eye at a time. Okay, I like it. I like the coverage. I like the consistency. And I like the color. I thought it was gonna be a little too dark for my highlight, but I actually really like it. Take some of this powder, dab it a little bit, and set it. This powder is thick. I know that. I don't know if but I am like taking it and dabbing it on my hand. So far, I like it. It's a bit drying, but we'll see how it looks after I spray it. I'm going to take my True Complexion Contour in True Radiance, the True Radiance palette, or Black Radiance palette, and just set my contour with the contour shade lightly. To take my Micro Smooth powder, so far I like it. I like the color of the contour, or not the contour, but the highlight. So I'm going to just spray it with my continuous spray by Morphe and then come back on camera after I do my hair and get dressed. So here is the finished face. I am loving the concealer as of now, and I somewhat love the powder. I am really like a Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder type of girl, but I am definitely loving this under eye powder. So let me see, zoom up a little bit so you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm downstairs. So super cute. The time right now is, let's see. Thank you. The time right now is 12:40. So I am going to wear this all day, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the all day, you know, the after the day look, and see how well it all wears together. But yeah, for now I really like it. So no creasing really. Let me look up close. Let's see. It's a bit drying, like you can see a little bit, but I just have really bad wrinkles up under my eyes. That's like a family thing. And I have these smile lines right here. So we'll see if any of that really like get worse throughout the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys a little later. Issa, go sit down. I'm gonna be up there in a second. My kids, they bother me all the time. I say, I'm going to work, I'm going to work. I'm right downstairs, so they just call my name. But anyways, I try my best to wear this until at least 7, 8 o'clock. But boo, it is 6:24, okay? 6:24. I don't even remember what time. Wait, my camera need to focus now. All right, I don't even remember what time I showed you guys earlier. However, I feel like this has been on my face for at least 5 hours. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to get in the tub, so I just figure I'm going to come down here and hurry up and record my outro. But I really like to finish. Obviously, I got some oily nose right now, but that is normal for me. These creases is normal for me, so it doesn't bother me that using this concealer and powder, it happens still. And I have some creases under my eye, which I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Uh-oh, that's me zooming out, but zooming in so you guys can see the creases up under my eye. So like this. So, but that is normal for me too. That is normal for me too. So it really didn't bother me. Like the fact that I have creases up under my eyes and smile lines. This is my oily part, you know, of my face anyways. None of this actually bothered me. And I really, really like the concealer because it reminds me of my NARS Creamy Concealer. However, you guys know that's very expensive. I think it's like $30. But I barely ever use it because it's so expensive. I only use it on special occasions. But I think that the Pro Filter, where is it? I think that this is worth it, okay? Again, I think it was $30 or $20, $23. Let me see. $26. It's $26. A little goes a long way. It is very buildable. It is very creamy, and I really like it. So this is a yes. And for the powder was $38 or $32. Honestly, I would get the powder again too, because it's a lot that comes in here, and since you really not gonna be, I don't think this is the type of powder that I would use to set my face like I do with the Laura Mercier, because it's really not, it's not translucent in my opinion. Like, it's not really fine like Laura Mercier's is. But to set my under eye, definitely. Yeah, this is just instant retouch setting powder. So it doesn't say translucent or anything like that. And yeah, but it did good. Like, you guys let me know how you think it wore, if you bought it, and how you think it wore on me in the comment section below. If you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? And yeah, just give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you would like in the next video. Follow me on all my social medias. And I'll see you guys in my next video.